Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get a picture like this in Canva and remove its background. So the first thing you want to do is go to Canva and create a design so we can import the image too. So I'm gonna get this some random size here just so we have a document, and now I'm going to import the picture. So I just have to click and drag it into my design. Once I have the picture, if I click it, I should be given this option here, BG remover. So if you click this, it's going to analyze the image and it automatically removes the background. If you click it again, you should be given these two options here. These are two brushes that you can use to refine the final result. So if you select this first one, erase, it's going to give you a brush to remove parts that Canva might have left to your image that belong to the background. So you can remove parts like this, just use the brush, or you have the restore option that in the case that Canva removed parts of the picture that you wanted to keep, so if I use it, it restores parts of the image. So depending on the picture and the quality of the picture and what the background is, Canva might make a mistake. So if that happens, you can use these two brushes and you can use this slider here to adjust the brush size. And that's how you remove the background from a picture in Canva. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.